to merge your personal existence with the existential existence is called yoga. Whenever you merge yourself with the existence, what will happen? You will experience the oneness. That is called samadhi in yoga. Namaskar, welcome. Yoga is very beneficial to everyone almost in all dimensions. Then, what is yoga? Let's understand. Yoga. My dear friend, there is no word like yoga in our Indian yogic system. It is yog. Yog came from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to join. It means, if you understand, yoga means plus or to add. If it is plus, then we need to understand what are the things you need to add to each other, and then what will be the result. So you need to know what is here, then what should be here. If you are able to know, if you can able to clear yourself all about 3 question marks, you will know all about what is yoga or what is yoga. Let's find all about 3 question marks, because I am looking for the answer what is yoga. Then I am writing here my personal existence. It is all about me or I. Because I am, definitely you are. Because I am, he is, she is, that is, they are. If you collect all about me, I, he, she, then you can find that will be existence. Existential existence, it means whole. Everything. Right now, I feel separate from all, from the whole. This is called ignorance. Yoga or yoga is a method to merge your I with the whole. To merge, to add your personal existence with the existential existence. The process, the method you are using to merge your personal existence with the existential existence is called yoga. There can be many methods. That's why you can find Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Nad Yoga. A lot of yogas are available. Why a lot of yogas? Because your personalities are different. Looking to the different personalities, our masters discovered different types of yoga, so that you can dissolve your personal identity and you can merge yourself with the whole, with the existence. Whenever you merge yourself with the existence, what will happen? You will experience the oneness. That is called samadhi in yoga. So let's understand, if it is yoga, why we are saying it is yoga, my dear friend? Only because of beginners practitioners or the common practitioners. They are not able to understand the deeper meaning of yoga. Because the word yoga is very popular throughout the common man. So that's why the deep practitioners accepted the word yoga as yoga. It is not a big issue. Actually, it is yoga, not a yoga. So yoga is a process to merge your personal identity to the existential existence and help you to experience the oneness or samadhi. I hope you have understood all the basic concept of yoga. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am always ready to answer you. You have spent a lot of time over here. That's why I'm really grateful to you. Thank you very much. See you soon.